Hello YouTube. Today I want to talk about a new planet that NASA has found 20 light years away from Earth. It was news. It's last year's news, but many people didn't hear about it because it wasn't really put on the news much. It's more of on the science websites and the magazines that are published that you can normally find in your supermarket. News agents. So they found a planet that they've named Gliese 581d, and it is 20 light years away from Earth, which is, in space terms, very close, but in travel terms, no, we're not going to get there. Not in a long time. And apparently, this planet has plant life and bacteria, and who knows, it could even have primitive stages of something like us. We just don't know yet because we can't see it with our telescopes that we use today. They're just not powerful enough and not clear enough. But the reason that they can predict that it could be this a similar planet to Earth with water and trees is because they've measured this distance between that planet and the sun that it orbits. So what they've done is they've measured the distance and they've calculated it to be in the right spot where it's not too cold, but it's not too hot. And that's the perfect temperature where water doesn't boil, nor does it freeze. And it's exactly the same as what Earth does. Right here, we've got our frozen caps at the top and the bottom, but through the middle, so much water and life can exist very easily. So last year they sent a message by radio waves that'll travel through space itself, and because I said it's 20 light years away, it will take 20 years just for that message to reach that planet. And the odds are that we're not going to get a reply because, one, they probably don't speak English, or two, there may not even be anything advanced as us on that planet. Three, something could pass in the way of this message. We don't know. It might get interrupted by cosmic rays and all those kind of things that can disrupt electrical signals. But who knows? There's that slim chance that we might get a message back one day. It's not gonna be very soon. It could be in the next 20 years at least, 40 years, because they take 20 years for them to send it back, even if there's something there. But who knows? I believe there's something out there, many things out there. The universe is so big that it's kind of silly to deny it. And being an atheist as I am, most atheists, they all support the fact that out in space there's got to be other life. It's just, the science doesn't lie. But what do you guys think? Drop a comment below, let me know, and I'll keep you informed on new news that's coming up.